Today, I'll show you how to screen record on TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. TradingView is mainly a charting platform, and for normal screen recording, most people use their phone or computer's built-in screen recorder rather than a standard TradingView recording button. TradingView does have a publish flow for creating a video idea, but that is different from simply recording your screen for personal use, tutorials, or social media. If you're on Windows 11, the easiest method is to open your TradingView chart first, set up the time frame and indicators you want, and then start the built-in screen recorder. Microsoft says you can press Windows key plus Shift plus R to open the Snipping Tool video capture overlay, select the area you want to record, and record that portion of your screen. Microsoft also notes that Snipping Tool can record a selected region and save it as a video file. If you're on a Mac, open your TradingView chart first, then press Shift plus Command plus 5. Apple says this opens the screenshot toolbar, where you can choose to record the entire screen or just a selected portion. After that, start the recording, go through your chart analysis or walkthrough, and stop the recording when you're done. Now, if your goal is to make a TradingView video idea instead of just a normal screen recording, TradingView says you can go to the chart page and click the Publish button to record a video idea. TradingView's older and newer help pages describe this as part of its publishing feature, not a general device screen recorder. So this option is more about posting content inside TradingView's community than recording a tutorial file for yourself. Before recording, it helps to clean up the chart first. Remove extra indicators, hide drawings you don't need, and zoom your chart to the area you want to explain. That way your recording looks cleaner and is easier to follow. This part is just a practical tip, but it makes a big difference when you're recording any TradingView setup. One more thing to remember is that screenshots and screen recordings are different. If you only need a still image of your TradingView chart, Windows and Mac both also have built-in screenshot tools, but for a moving walkthrough, you need the video recording option instead. So, in simple terms, open your TradingView chart first, then use your device's screen recorder, Windows key, plus Shift plus R on Windows 11, or Shift plus Command plus 5 on Mac. And if you specifically want to publish a chart video inside TradingView, use the Publish button and the Video Idea option instead. And that's how to screen record on TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.